Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐴𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can install Vivaldi browser. So to install it, open any browser you already have on your system and search Vivaldi browser. Then click on this link which will take you to their platform. Here they have provided all the information about the prominent features of this browser, including the downloading button. So to download it, click on download. And after downloading, run the setup file. Here, click on this checkbox if you want to share the unexpected crash reports, and then accept their terms and services to install it. If you want, you sure can click on this link to read their terms and services. Anyhow, to complete the basic setup after installing, click on Continue. Well, you can unlock the full potentials of the Vivaldi browser with a free account by providing your email address here, which will include these features. But for now, I'm skipping it. Here, for the time being, I'm not keeping it in the taskbar. Also, I'm not making it a default browser, nor I'm bringing any data from other browsers. And I certainly want it to block trackers and ads. Here, select a theme and click on Continue. Here, you can select whether where the tabs will appear. And for now, I'm not enabling mail, calendar, and feeds, and then click on Start Browsing. Now you are all set and ready to browse. Also, if you want, you can turn off these features by clicking on this gear icon. Moreover, if you want to make any changes in the browser settings, just go to Settings under Vivaldi menu. And here you can make all the changes according to your needs. Anyhow, this is how you can install Vivaldi browser, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.